Hello everyone, my name is Sameer Sapana. Welcome to the channel of Easy Connect. In this video, we are going to discuss games and tournament CAT 2019 slot 2 set. In the first video, we discussed CAT 2019 slot 1 set, which was based on archery tournament. Again, this one is a rifle shooting competition, but you do not require any specific knowledge or any specific set of rules related to the rifle shooting tournament to solve this set. The only thing that you have to do is the follow the instructions and complete the table. Understand the information, get to know what you are supposed to do to answer the question, right? No specific external knowledge is required related to the rifle shooting competition to solve the set. Question says 10 players as listed in the table below participated in a rifle shooting competition comprises of 10 rounds. So it's comprising of 10 rounds. So total number of rounds are 10 and you can see that okay, so there are 10 rounds. Each round had 6 participants. So the complete competition is happening in 10 rounds. Every round had 6 participants, and this is a very important information that you have to understand, right? Here in the next statement it says players numbered 1 through 6 participated in the round 1. Player number 2 through 7 participated in the round 2, and so on. Player number 5 through 10 participated in the round 5, and so on. So that is what is happening, what this statement is saying. That from player number 1, you can see that in this complete table, the first column tells us the player number, the second column tells us the player name. These are the points after round 6, and these are the points after round 10. First, understand how the participants are participating in the rounds. In the round 1, the first 6 players means these are the first 6 players which will be participating in the tournament. Now when the round 2 comes, the next 6 participants, right? That means from player number 2 to player number 7. So these are the players of round 1, these are the players on round 2, and you can clearly see that this keeps on happening in this way only. So player number 5 through 10 in round 5. So this was round 1, this was round 2. Now if you go to round 3, the players of round 3 will start from the player number 3 and it will go on till 8. Why go on till 8? Because you have to select 6 participants in every round. If you start counting from the player number 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th player will be the 8th number player. So this is round 3 number player. Now round 4 number players will start from player number 4 and will go on till player number 9. So these are the round 4 players. And the round 5 player will start from the player number 5 and will go on till player number 10. So this is round 5 player. And in exactly in the same manner, it says player 6 through 10 and 1 in round 6. So when you start selecting the players for the round number 6, you have to start counting the players from the player number 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take all the players from from player number 6 to player number 10, there will be only 5 players. But question says there has to be 6 participants in every round. So 5 player these and additional 1 player will be taken from the starting from the start of the player. You can see that player number 6 through 10 and 1 in round number 6. Now these are the players of round 6, right? Again, so when the round 7 will come, you will start counting it from 7. The 4 players will be selected from here and the next 2 players will be selected from here. And then when the round 8 will start, you will start counting it from here and the remaining 3 players will come from the top of the table. So this is how you will be selecting the team of the 6 participants in every round. Now here you have to observe that if I look at the player number 1 is participating in round number 1, but player number 1 is not participating in round 2, player number 1 is not participating in round 3 also, player number 1 is also not participating in round 4, and it is also not participating in in round number 5. So the player number 1 is not participating in round number 2, round number 3, round number 4 and round number 5. But again, when the round 6 starts, the turn of player number 1 will come again. So every person is not playing 4 rounds exactly in the similar manner as we have checked for player number 1, that player number 1 is not participating in the 4 rounds. The same thing will happen for the remaining player also. And what are the total number of rounds? The total number of rounds are 10. That means out of 10 rounds, every participant will be playing 6 rounds and 4 rounds will not be played. You have to see in which, you have to check first in which round or which players are playing, right? This is the one thing that you have to do to solve the set. And the next it says the top 3 performances in each round were awarded 7, 3 and 1 points respectively. There were no ties in any of the 10 rounds. Now again, one very important information, the possible score in any round for a shooting player is to get a score of either 7 or 3 or 1, and there is no ties, and these are the only 3 possible score. Now we know that 6 participants are participating in one round and 3 are the possible score and there are no ties. That means these 3 scores will be assigned to 3 players and the remaining players will be getting a score of 0 because tie is not possible. So the remaining players who will be participating, because we have 6 participants in every round, 3 will be getting these 3 scores and the remaining will be getting a score of 0. Okay. The table below gives the total number of points obtained by the 10 players after round 6 and round 10. This table tells us these are the points of each and every player, right? These are the name of the 10 players and they are having the points after round 6 given in this third column, and the points after round 10 are given in the fourth column. Now you see this. You can clearly see that if the points after round 1, 6 to Amita is 8 and the points after round 10 are 18, that means Amita has scored 10 points from round number 6 to round number 10, right? These are the points after 6. That means these 10 points will be coming in round number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similarly, you can see that this player is, the score of this player is getting increased from 3 to 6. That means the increment is of 3 points. And these score must have been obtained in round number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? From round number 7 to round number 10, these 3 points must have been obtained. Now these are the information that you have to use, and these are the remaining information. The second part of this information, second part of this set is the following information is known about round number 1 through 6. So these are the additional information. These 2 points are supposed to be used for round number 1 through 6, and these are the 3 points which are supposed to be used for round number 7 through 10. Okay, so we now get to know that we have to find out which player is scoring what score in every round, which player is playing which round, which player is not playing which round. So first of all, you have to make the table for 10 rounds. You have to decide what are the participants of every rounds and what are the score of every participant who is participating in that round. So you have to make a table of 10 rounds, right? So I have made this table. These are the player name, right, from 1 to 10. These are the players name, these are the players number, these are the player number or players name. We have this round 1 to round 6, right, 6 rounds, and then round 7 to round 10. These are the scores of round 6 after round 6 which were given in the previous table, and these are the scores after round 10 of each and every player. Now let's first decide which player is participating in which round. If you talk about Amit, right, so these are the player numbers. We have already seen that in round number 1, top 6 players will be participating. These are the players who are participating in the rounds 1, right? So we will first decide the number of the round number in which the players are not participating, right? So for example, we know that Amit is participating in round 1, but Amit, the player number 1, is not participating in round number 2, right? So can I say that Amit is not playing the round number 2? Amit is also not playing round number 3, round number 4 and round number 5. The reason why Amit is not playing round 2, round 3, round 4 and round 5 has been explained to you in the previous slide. Let me just show it again. We know that in round number 1, player number 1 to 6 will be chosen, but in round number 2, player number 2 to 7 will be chosen. So Amit, the first person, right, the Amita is not coming in the round 2 as well as in the round 3, right? Is round 3 and round 4 and round 5 also, right? So round 2, round 3, round 4 and round 5 are not played by the first person, that is Amita. Similarly, the second person, Bala, will not be playing round number 3, round number 4, round number 5 and round number 6. Right? Bala will be counted in the first round. Bala will also be counted in the second round. But for third, 4, 5 and 6, Bala will not be counted. Because when I start selecting the players for third round, I will be selecting these 6 persons. When I start selecting the players for the fourth round, I will start selecting from the player number 4. Right? When I will start selecting the players for round number 5, I will start it from here. Right, so you can see that Bala is not playing round 3, round 4 and round 5, as well as in round 6 you will be selecting these 5 players and the one person will be selected as Amitabh. So round 3, round 4, round 5, round 6, these are the games which are not being played by Bala. So using this pattern, guys, you have to first write down the rounds which are not being played by any of these persons, right? So Amita, we have already seen, is not playing round number 2, round number 3, round number 4, round number 5. Same is the case for Bala. Bala will not be playing the next 4 rounds, round 3, round 4, round 5, round 6. Now if you talk about Chen will not be playing the next 3 rounds starting from round number 4. So Chen will not be playing the next 4 rounds, right? NP means not played. And if you talk about David will not be playing the next 4 rounds starting from round number 5. Not played, not played, not played, not played. Similarly, Eric will not be playing the next 4 rounds starting from round number 6. NP, you can just observe over here that this is moving in this column, right? So when it comes to Fatima will not be playing round number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same is the case for Gordon will not be playing, right? Now not played start from here, in this case not played will start from here. And I have to select the 4 round for Gordon. If I have to select the 4 rounds from Gordon, these are the 3 rounds. The next round which the Gordon is not playing would be the round number 1. As we know, in round number 1 only top 6 players are coming, right? Now when it comes to Hansa will not be playing these 2 rounds as well as these 2 rounds. If you talk about this player, Ikia will not be playing this round as well as the first 3 rounds. And Joshi will not be playing the first 4 rounds, right? So where we haven't mentioned NP, those are the rounds which are being played by these participants. Now let's start filling the information. You can start filling in the information from the last person, Joshi. The reason is Joshi is playing only round number 5 and round of 6. Out of the first 6 rounds, you can see that Joshi is not playing the first 4 rounds and the score of Joshi is 14. Now, if the possible score, we have seen that are 7, 3 and 1. If these are the only 3 possible score, that means if 7, 3, 1 are the only 3 possible score, I guess that is not visible. So I have just written down that the possible score in a round are 7, 3 and 1. So guys, tell me, if Joshi is scoring a score of 14 in 2 rounds, the only possible score for Joshi will be 7 and 7. Yes or no? That means Joshi must have scored 7 in round 5 as well as 7 in round 6. Alright. Now, let's start use the remaining information. If you use this, for round 7 through round 10, it is mentioned that only 2 players score in 3 consecutive rounds. So from round number 7 to round number 10, we have only 2 players which are scoring in 3 consecutive rounds. And one of them was Chen. No other players score in any 2 consecutive rounds. Except these 2 players, we do not know the name of those players. One of them is Chen, the another one we do not know, are scoring in 3 consecutive runs. Only 2 are the players, and no other player except these 2 players, in which one of them is Chen. There is no other player who is scoring in any 2 consecutive rounds. Now let's go to the information of Chen. Chen, you can see, is scoring 3 over here and 6 over here. That means the score of Chen is 3 after round 6 and 6 after round 10. That means Chen have scored 3 points. And Chen is the person who is scoring in every round. So then can I say Chen must be scoring 1, 1, 1 over here, because Chen will need a score of 3 and he need to score in every round. If a score of 3 is need to be obtained in 3 rounds, the only possibility is that you get 1, 1 and 1 in 3 rounds, right? Alright. Now let's use the another information. There is one more person who is scoring in 3 consecutive rounds, right? And other than that, the second person, there is no other player who has scored in 2 consecutive rounds. Okay, now let's use this information. Joshin scored in round number 7. Joshin is scoring in round number 7. It is not mentioned what is the score, but Joshin is definitely scoring in round number 7, while Amita is scoring in round number 10. There is no player who is scoring in all the 4 rounds consecutively. From round 7 to round 10, we do not have any player who is scoring in all the 4 rounds. Now let's use this information that Joshin is scoring in round 7. If you go to the Joshin, so we have, okay, Joshin is basically, Joshin is the last person, right? The name is correct. It's written as Joshi over here. This person is Joshin. So Joshin is scoring in round number 10. Now you see this, guys. Joshin have a score of 14 over here and 17 over here. That means Joshin have scored 3 extra over to get to after round 10. The Joshin must be scoring before round number 10. Joshin must have scored 3 points, right? Because the score is moving from 14 to 17. Now, one possibility is that Joshin is scoring 1 plus 1 plus 1 to get 3. But we know that if 1 is obtained over here, 1 cannot come over here, because 2 persons are not having a tie. If 1 is coming over here, 1 cannot come over here. If 1 is coming over here, 1 cannot come over here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 for Joshin is not possible from round number 7 to round number 10. The only possible score for Joshin to reach at a score of 17 is 3. And because it is mentioned that Joshin is scoring in round number 7, so the Joshin score of 3 will be obtained over here, and in the remaining round Joshin must have scored 0, right? Joshin must have scored 3 over here. Alright, and it is also mentioned that Amita is scoring in round number 10. Amita is scoring in round number 10. See, the Amita score is moving from 8 to 18. There's an increment of 10. Now a score of 10 can be obtained in the manner of 7 plus 3 only. It can be obtained only in the manner of 7 plus 3. Now we know that if 3 is coming over here, because the score of 3 is obtained by Joshin, that means 3 cannot come over here. If 3 cannot come over here, then 3 will definitely come in round 10, because Amita is scoring in round number 10. If the 3 is not coming over here, there has to be one score in round number 10. Right, but we know that 3 will definitely not come over here. 3 cannot come over here for Amita. And Amita is scoring in round 10, so it can be 7 or 3, both possible. 7 and 3 are the both possibilities for Amita in round number 10. We still cannot say whether it will be 7 over here or 3 will be here. We'll have to wait for that. Okay, but 3 will definitely not come over here. Okay guys, one thing is clear then, if 3 is not coming over here and Amita is scoring in round 10, yes, we cannot still say that. Okay, but we know that now. Amita's score is 8 till round 6. Amita's score is 8 till round 6, which can be obtained only with the combination of 1 and 7. Now we have 7 in this column already, so 7 cannot come over here. If 7 cannot come over here, that means 1 will come over here. If 1 is coming over here, then 7 will come over here, right? So we now know the score of Amita in the round number 1 and round number 6 also. Alright, let's go to the remaining information now. Okay, let's talk about now IKEA. IKEA, you can see, is having a score of 2 in round number 6 and the IKEA score is moving to 17. Now if you want to jump from 2 to 17, you need a score of 15, and score of 15 can be obtained as 7 plus 7 plus 1 only. This is the only possible way. 7 plus 7 plus 1 is the only possibility. Alright. Now we know that 1 cannot come over here, 1 cannot come over here. So for IKEA, 1 will come over here only. If 1 is coming over here, then the score of 7 will come here, 7 will also come over here. Yes or no? Now if 7 is coming over here for IKEA, that means 7 cannot come here for Amita here, 7 cannot come here also, right? So 7 possibility is either this one or this one. Okay. But still we cannot say that 7 will come over here. We'll have to look for more information. And if you talk about David, guys, David's score is moving from 6 to 6. So you can place 0 0 over here. Then David is not scoring any score over here. And if you talk about Eric, Eric's score is moving from 3 to 10. That means Eric must have get a score of 7 over here. Now you see that if 7 is coming over here, 7 cannot come over here, right? Because there is no tie in any round. If 7 cannot come over here, it cannot come here also, it cannot come here also. The possibility for 7 will be here only. Yes or no? Right? So now if 7 is coming over here, the 3 will be coming in round number 10. Right? So for Amita, 3 will be coming over here, and 0 will come over here, and 0 will be coming over here. Now we know the score of Amita also. Alright. Now let's talk about Bala. Bala is moving from 2 to 5, right? Bala's score is moving from 2 to 5. Now the possibility is that either it get 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? There is improvement of 3, or it is 3 plus 0 plus 0 and 0, right? 1 plus 1 will not be possible because we have already plus 1 in these 3 columns. So 1 cannot come over here. The only possibility is 3. But we know that 3 cannot come over here because we have 3 over here. So the score here will be 0. 3 cannot come over here, right? Because 3 is over here. So this will be 0. The score of 3 for Bala will come over here or here, right? But if you talk about Hansa, Hansa's score is moving from 1 to 4. Hansa's score is moving from 1 to 4. That means Hansa must have scored 3 points, right? There's an improvement of 3. So Hansa must have scored 3 in any of the one round. Now 3 cannot come over here. So for Hansa, 3 will come over here and 0 will come over here. Now if 3 is coming over here, then Bala cannot score 3 here. So Bala will be scoring 0 here, and 3 score of Bala will come in round number 9, right? And now if you talk about Gordon, Gordon's score is moving from 17 to 17, no score, that means 0 will come over here. Now you can see that from round number 7 to round number 10, we have filled the complete table. Now let's use the information from round number 1 to round number 6. If you look at the information for round number 1 to 6, it says that Gordon did not score consecutively in any 2 rounds. Gordon is this person, and Gordon is not scoring in any 2 consecutive runs. That means now Gordon's score is 17. 17 can be obtained only in this pattern, 7 plus 7 plus 3. That means Gordon is scoring in the 3 rounds out of the 4 rounds, and the only possibility for Gordon is to score here, here and here only, right? Because Gordon is not scoring in any 2 consecutive rounds, and Gordon is having 3 scores, and if you do not want to give score to Gordon in 2 consecutive rounds, that means the possibility is that Gordon is scoring points here, here and here only. Now 7 plus 7 plus 3 is what we are supposed to assign. We know that 7 cannot come over here because we already have 7 here. If 7 cannot come over here, then 7 will be coming here and the 7 will be coming over here, right? 2 score of 7 are supposed to be assigned. 7 cannot come over here, so 7 and 7 will come here only. and one score of 3 will be coming here now, right? So for Gordon, a score of 3 will be coming here. Alright, so let's put 3 here and 0 here and 0 here because a score of 70 need to come for Gordon. Alright, now what else we have? Let's use the second information that Eric and Fatima both are scoring in a round. That means these two persons are scoring in the same round. Okay, let's move to the next information. And one thing is clear, Bala is getting a score of 2. A score of 2 can be obtained only with 1 plus 1 possibility. So Bala is playing only 2 rounds, so 1 will come over here, 1 will come over here also. Alright, now what else we have? Okay, Eric and Fatima. Eric is scoring 3 points, and the 3 points can be obtained 1 plus 1 plus 1 or 3 plus 0 and 0 and so on. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is not possibilities because we know that 1 cannot come over here, 1 cannot come over here. If I want to give a score of 3 to Eric, then Eric will be scoring 3 points only in these 3 cases, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1. But do we have any other information ready to Eric? No, we do not have any other information. Okay, let's see then. So possibility for Eric is that Eric can have a 1 plus 1 plus 1 or 3 plus 0 also. Okay, talking about Fatima. Fatima is scoring 10. 10 is possible only in 7 plus 3, right? You cannot give 7 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 because then you require 3 columns to give 1, right? 2 columns are already occupied, you can see that. And 7 cannot come here, 7 cannot come here, 7 cannot come here. So see this guys, Fatima is definitely scoring 7 and 7 is not possible to come over here, 7 is not possible to come over here, 7 is not possible to come over here also, 7 is not possible to come over here, and 7 is not possible to come here also because of Amita 7. So only possibility for Fatima to have a score of 7 is this one. The only possibility for Fatima to have a score of 7 is this one. Now, and because it is mentioned that Eric and Fatima both are scoring in a round, so Eric is scoring 3 points, and the possibility for and the only possible option for Eric to have a score of 3 is 3 only. The 1 plus 1 plus 1 is not possible because we do not have the columns to place 3 1 together or 3 1s, right? These two columns are already occupied. So if Eric and Fatima are scoring in the same round, Eric must have scored 3 in the same round because the one of the round is same for Eric and Fatima, right? So in the remaining rounds, Eric must have scored 0. Alright, now we have to place 3 for Fatima. 3 cannot come over here because we have 3 over here already here, right? The other possibility for 3 can be Fatima can get 3 here, here or here, right? Okay, we do not have any other options. Okay, let's talk about Hansa. Hansa is scoring 1 point over here. 1 cannot come over here, you can see that. The possibility for Hansa to get score of 1 can be any of these 3. Alright, so we still do not know. Okay, let's talk about Ikea. Okay, if you look at the Ikea score, Ikea is getting 2 points. Now 1 cannot come over. 2 points can be obtained 1 plus 1. Now if 2 is coming over here, 1 cannot come over here. So 1 will come either here or either here. Right? 1 cannot come here. So this score will be 0. Now you see that. Now that point is also clear why Eric cannot get a score of 1 plus 1 plus 1. Because Ikea is getting 1 here and 1 here. Now if 1 is here, 1 is here, that means you cannot use, so this column is not available to place 1, this cell is also not available for 1, these two cells are also not available for 1. So the Eric score is, the possibility for Eric score to get score of 3 is 3 plus 0 only. Okay, now we know the score of Ikea also. Now let's talk about Hansa's score. Hansa is scoring 1. 1 cannot come here, so it will be 0. 1 cannot come here, it will be 0. 1 also cannot come over here. So Hansa will be getting a score of 1 here only. Is it clear? Alright, now these are the only cells that we are left with. Chen is scoring 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is not possible. 3 can be obtained only with a score of 3. So in one of the cell, 3 will be coming. But we know that 3 is already coming over here. So this score will be, Chen score in round 3 will definitely be 0. and David's score is 6. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 is not option. No, is not an option. 3 plus 3 is the only possibility. Now we have to assign 2 3 to David, 1 3 to Chen, and 1 3 to Fatima. Alright. 3 cannot come over here. This is not possible option that will place 3 over here. Here it will be 0 only. Okay. Now guys, listen here. If David is scoring 3 in these two, if I give the score of 3 to David in these two rounds, then you see that Chen will not have any option. Chen cannot get 3 here, cannot get 3 here. So David is definitely not getting both of these 3 2 over here, and we already have a 3 here. So this cell is not available. So this cell will definitely have 0. And David cannot have both 3 here. So 1 3 of David will definitely be in round number 4. Right? 1 3 of David will definitely be in round number 4. This is completely a kind of Sudoku puzzle, right? If you can just observe it. Alright. Now, in any of these two rounds, right, the score of Chen and David can be anything, 0 or 3, right? Depending upon their relative position. If Chen is getting 3 here, then David will get 3 here. If Chen is getting 3 here, then David will get 3 over here. Now, we definitely know that in round number 1 and round number 2, in both of these two rounds, score of 3 is already occupied. So 3 cannot come here, 3 cannot come over here. Okay. And we have already assigned a score of 3 in round number 4 to David. So 3 also cannot come over here. So for Fatima, the score of 3 can come over here only. So now the table is completed, and for Chen and David, it cannot be uniquely decided that whether Chen is getting 3 in round 1 or David is getting 3 in round 1, right? This will not be uniquely determined, but yes, the remaining table can be filled. Now you can solve the questions. First question is, what were the scores of Chen, David and Eric respectively after round 3? So after round 3, we are supposed to tell the score of Chen, David and Eric. After round 3, guys. After round 3, Chen, after round 3 will be having a score of 3. David also will have a score of 3. And Eric after round 3 will also have a score of 3. Right? So both of them will be scoring 3, 3 and 3. So B is the option for Chen, David and Eric. Yes. Because we know that in one of the round, Chen is definitely scoring 3. David is also scoring 3 in one of the round. Eric is scoring 3 in round number 3. Right? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. What were the score of Chen, David and Eric respectively? Okay. This is the question number 1. Okay. Same question has been repeated. Next question is, which player scored points in maximum number of rounds? Which player scored points in maximum number of rounds? These are the 4 options: Ikea, Chen, Amita and Joshin. Okay, we talk about Ikea. Ikea is scoring in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds. Ikea is scoring in 5 rounds. Okay, let's talk about Chen. Chen is scoring one of these rounds and 3 rounds more. So Chen is scoring in 4 rounds. If you look at Amita, Amita is scoring here, here, here and here. So 4 rounds, 4 scoring rounds for Amita. If you talk about Joshin, Joshin is scoring here, here, 1, 2, 3 and 3 rounds only, right? So Joshin is scoring for 3 rounds. So Ikea is the person who is scoring in the maximum number of rounds. So option A will be the answer of the question. Which players scored point in the last round? Okay, which players scored the point in the last round? If you look at the last round, okay, in the last round you see this is Amita is a person, and then you have this person, right, Eric. And do we have any other player? Yes, Chen is also a player of scoring in the last round. So Amita, Chen and Eric is the answer of the question. Amita, Chen and Eric, and this option is option number A, right? So these are the questions of the set. All right. So this set has been completed now, guys. There were 4 questions. 1 question is missing. You can, once the table is completed, you can easily solve the set. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. In the upcoming videos, I'll be giving you the solution of all sets of CAT 2018 slot 1 as well as slot 2. Slot 1, all the DI set as well as the remaining logical reasoning set has already been discussed, and now we will also be completing all the LR and DI set of slot 2 of CAT 2019 paper. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video lesson. Thank you.